guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another BOLZANO bag. So if you haven't seen my other unboxings, I will link them in the description box. You can check them out. This is a monthly handbag subscription, plus they have different options where you can add on goodies. So let's see what I have this month. Ooh, I like it. It's cute. Wait, how do you do this? Okay, squish in. Okay, so it's got, oh, I thought this was gonna be a longer strap. It's actually a pretty short strap. Oh, and then there's a longer one in here. They always do that. They always have the option of a long strap, which I appreciate. Okay, let's actually take this plastic off. Also, I got a question in one of my previous videos asking if these bags are real leather or if they're vegan, and I believe they offer both, and I requested to only get vegan leather bags. So I'm assuming that that's what this is. I don't know, there's no like genuine leather tag or anything on it. So anyway, I like, it's got a good, you know, a big opening, some nice compartments, zipper. Okay, and then, oh, and a cute little pocket right here. I like this. Let's see, what is in here? Ooh, some earrings. Some just gold hoop earrings. Just, you know, very basic gold hoop earrings. Nothing fancy, but I honestly do not own anything like this. Ooh, are these sunglasses? Oh, I'm so picky about my sunglasses. Here's hoping. I like these. Oh, I totally like these. I love these. How fun. Oh, a little scarf thingy, I think. I think that's what this is. That or it's an umbrella holder. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's just, oh my gosh, too freaking cute. Okay. So cute, right? Oh my gosh, I lurves. I totes lurves. This is one of those silky ones which always like just slide out of my hair. I don't know how you people do the magic. Now I look like Rhoda. Okay, anyway, I love these accessories, super dupes cute, and then there is a box in here of other good stuff. And then I think I have some sort of a code that you have to like actually enter it in the search bar, do a search, and then it'll be like, oh, here's your special gift, and you go add to cart. And then you add it along with your monthly subscription to get whatever the special gift is. I will leave all of that information in the description box for you guys so you can read it later. Okay, a box of goodies. So it looks like I have a couple of eyeliners, a brown and a black. Desi, I don't know that brand. Okay, and then some L'Oreal Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle and Firming Eye Cream. This is a perfume. So I think that's kind of what I got last time, was just like, I think it was a L'Oreal face cream, some sort of makeup, and then some sort of perfume. So I think that's kind of their jam with this box. I don't know what this is. Jean Paul Gaultier Classique. And it's the cutest little like travel size of whatever this is. Let's see. Okay, let me smell it. Well, I will be passing this along to somebody. So again, I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check it out. I like this bag. What do you guys think? This is cute. I wonder if all of my crap will fit in here. I think so, because it's actually pretty spacious inside. I'm actually really excited about this. It's cute. And I'm digging the accessories. Okay, so again, I will leave all of the information in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!